Do you have paper bags laying around that you don't know what to do with? Or maybe just looking for a new craft? Don't worry, I have you covered with over 20 different craft ideas that use paper bags. Put your flower pot in a pre-crumpled paper bag. Roll down the top and tie a bow around the entire plant holder. How rustic! Cut strips in a paper bag and make a basket. And I would like you to vote for your favorite in the comments below. Use my flower making tutorial to make these beautiful flowers, this time out of paper bags. For a truly rustic look, burn the edges. Make an advent calendar out of your extra paper bags. How fun! Use paper bags to place on your tack board to create this rustic look. Here is another tutorial for making flowers. If you'd like to see my tutorial for making flowers, be sure to stay till the end. I'll link it on the end screen. Use paper bags in your boots to keep them up straight.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown.
Cut just the top of your paper bag into large strips and make a tree.
Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.
You could even use paper bags to make a wreath.
Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sight, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready.
You can use paper bags as wallpaper. What a creative idea!
Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.
Shred and remold a paper bag into a bird's nest.
Autumn comes too soon.
Look how nice the paper bag flooring looks on these stairs. What a great flooring solution! Here's a tutorial on how to make a paper bag tree. This is another example of a paper bag wreath. I like the added flowers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to vote for your favorite in the comments below. And once I get 100 comments or 100 likes, I will go ahead and recreate the winning idea. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic day. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.